Next we are moving on to a very interesting section. It's for you and for me. Ladies, if you are ladies there, it's for you and for me. It's a ladies section. You know, compared to men, we ladies have lot of things to discuss, isn't it? We have very interesting topics to discuss and we won't know when the time flies. So, here we have a package of booking appointments at the beauty parlor, discussing about the skin and the hair, how to maintain them, then about a very interesting topic about choosing a good variety of saris and clothes, which shop to go and all that, and then even between relatives, like which kind of sari to buy for the wedding and all that, and how we purchase things, okay. And apart from that, arranging parties and picnics like for the families or for your a group of friends. So, all this we are going to discuss and it is all put under one heading, the women's section or the ladies section. Shall we go now? Okay, first beauty. Beauty is the most important aspect for a woman, and we are going to discuss on how to book an appointment at a beauty parlor. Nowadays every Tom, Dick and Harry, everybody goes to the beauty parlor for shaping eyebrows or for facial or for bleach, anything people are going, isn't it? So, let us see how to book an appointment at a ladies beauty parlor. Okay. So, if you are going to book an appointment, we will just say at the beauty parlor. Okay. Now, what would you like to book an appointment for? Everybody, I said eyebrows, facial. Now, everybody is conscious about the looks. So, everybody wants to go in for a good facial. Okay, so we will book an appointment for a facial, and then what else can we, shaping eyebrows, and also what else can we ask for? Head massage, because hair is also very important, isn't it? Oil massage they give, and they shampoo the hair and they give a nice feeling. Or you can even go for coloring the hair. That is a very important trend these days, isn't it? Coloring the hair, burgundy, brown, and sometimes gold, blonde bleach and all this. So, we are just going to go in. So, we will choose a few things. We are going to have eyebrows, we are going to have facial, and then we are going to color their hair. Okay. So, these three will go. Okay. So, Mrs. I am not going to say Miss, we are going to go in for Mrs. because only married ladies do not have time to maintain their complexion and their beauty. So, they have to go into the parlor. So, Mrs. A, I say, or Mrs. Alice, she just calls up, tring tring, she calls and then she asks for the parlor. Hello, is this Virgo Dior? Beauty parlor? And a lady at the parlor picks up I'll just say beautician. Yes, ma'am. What can I do for you? Okay. So, what have we discussed? We want to fix an appointment, because if you go to a parlor and if it's too crowded, you will have to wait and wait and you will have to waste your time. So, you are fixing an appointment. Okay. I would like to fix an appointment for this evening. And the beautician asks, yes, ma'am. What would you like to do? And Mrs. Alice says, I would like to, I would like my eyebrows shaped. Eyebrow shaped, my hair colored, and a facial done. Okay, immediately the beautician asks, facial itself, there are different varieties. Gold facial, you have aroma facial, chocolate facial. There are so many different facials. Okay, so even biotic facial, Ayurvedic facial. There are so many. So she asks,